Part 53 of the A24 binge. Bring Her Back is an Australian horror film about two half-siblings who are in the middle of an occult situation by their orphaned mother. Before I get to this review, leave a follow more film content. I've been looking forward to tackling this movie ever since their previous film, Talk to Me, is such an amazing film. And knowing how brutal that film is, I was wondering what they're going to do with this one, that if they're going to ante up the brutality or they're going to do something else. And while it's not quite as good as Talk to Me, this movie is extremely haunting. Billy Barrett and Sora Wong are so good together that you really feel for their situation, knowing the fact that Sora Wong's character is sight impaired. And Sally Hawkins is just terrifying in this film that really will mess with them psychologically to make them feel separate from each other. The movie does try to get you to understand her motivation and her actions, that you do understand where she's coming from and do feel for her in a way, but the movie is aware of the fact that it does not condone her actions. The cinematography is just so good and so on point that leads to such horrifying imagery. And Jonah Wren Phillips, who plays the foster son, is crazy in this. There are a lot of things he does that just throws me off guard, surprises me, and makes me cringe and wince in pain. Which the practical effects of this film is just so good. The movie is slow, but it does get you riveted over the story going on, even if it does get a little annoying at times in terms of the way that they're trying to separate these two kids together, nor the fact that she should be trusting the brother more so than their foster mom. And the story leads to so many brutal moments in the film that I actually really love. It's not often I see a horror film where kids' characters actually are in danger and there is some form of harm to them that is very refreshing and doesn't make them feel like plot devices, or even plot armors for that matter. So because of it, it raises the stakes and feel like no one is safe in this film that makes me really wonder where this movie is gonna go. Bring Her Back is a crazy follow-up to their previous film, Talk to Me, that has the same kind of grisly image I love to see that really messes me up and leads to an impact that still haunts me to this day. I give this film a 9 out of 10. If you like this review, leave a like, favorite, and follow more film review content.